Know that cats have a unique way of marking their territory? They have scent glands not just on their faces, but also on their paws. When they scratch furniture or walk on surfaces, they're leaving a little bit of their scent behind, claiming that spot as their own. It's like their personal signature stamped everywhere they go. Share this fun fact with your friends and see who knew it first. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like video. It's free and it could change my life.